Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll all the way down to the system section. And if the developer options, if they are activated, you'll see here the developer options section. So click here, and now just to turn off or just to hide the developer options, you should click here once on the swatcher near the use developer options, and you can see now that all of the options, they are blocked. And if we will go back here into the system section, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.